is shining like a Fifth Avenue diamond.
Hey guys, so yeah, I'm vlogging after the longest time, and also I'm vlogging on my phone, so please excuse me if there's any quality difference and if it's shaking too much. I'm really sorry. So I'm currently at my parents' house, and if you guys haven't watched my life update video yet, weird that I'm saying that because I actually haven't uploaded it yet, but by the time you see this video, it will be up. So I will link it up here, and I've spoken all about my broken leg and why I'm at my parents' house and not in my own apartment. So fast forward, today I am going to my apartment, not to like stay, but just to go clean up because my parents have to do some shopping in Commercial Street, and because my fracture is still healing, I can't be walking a lot in Commercial Street. So my mom is like, you just go to your apartment and rest. But me being me, I'm not going to rest. I'm actually going to clean up my apartment because it's so dirty. It's super dirty. Like, clothes are everywhere. It's dusty. It's in a horrible condition. So I just thought I'll just make this quick clean with me video, vlog, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to head out and I'll see you guys in my apartment. Okay guys, so I'm in my apartment, and it's not been too long, as in I just came like probably last week to just collect some stuff. But yeah, I haven't stayed here, and my room is super dirty. Like, not just my room, the entire house is super dirty, so it's going to take a lot of time for me to clean this up. But I'm excited because, I don't want to start my new year with like a messy room or a messy house. So yeah, I'll just quickly show you guys a before of how it's looking now because it's really embarrassing. So this is how, yeah, it's clothes here, just everything is just messed up. Clothes, more clothes, more clothes. My video background and stuff, more clothes. It's just, I think this is the only sort of neat section. By the way, this is my lipstick collection. I don't think I've ever showed it in a video. Let me know if you guys want to see a video. I actually have all these things full. Like, I have a sort of OCD. I want to make sure that every slot is full, or I just feel anxious. It's very stupid, but anyone having slight OCD about these things will understand what I mean. But these lipsticks are actually home. Like, the empty slots you see, those are few of my favorite lipsticks which are at my parents' place. This is like my favorite clock ever. It's so cute. It's like this copper toned. It's so retro looking, and I've always wanted like the standard classic alarm clock. So yeah, that's my room's condition. It's horrible. I don't know why I didn't switch on the light. Yep, now you guys can see better. Oh my god, that's just like the most random things inside. Oh my god, I can't wait to clean this up. And just have a look at my desk. It's so messy. Like, so yeah, lot to do, lot of cleaning. I can't wait to start cleaning this. The only issue is I'm really confused where to start it because everything looks so daunting and overwhelming. I think I'm going to start with my room because that's definitely the most messy, and I just want to see my room clean first, and then I will get to my hall and kitchen. So yeah, let's start with my bedroom.
Tell you something about the way she moves, yeah.
The bed is done, and I'm quite happy with how it's looking. It's at least neat. Now I'm gonna get to the clothes, which is probably gonna take the most long because, yeah, there's a lot of clothes.
Let me tell you something about the way she moves, yeah.
I realized that it's better that I actually move these clothes up on my bed because I just realized I can't sit cross-legged for a long time because my fractured bone starts hurting a bit. So I'm gonna stand and do this.
Let me tell you something about the way.
Now coming to the next big bag of clothes.
Something about the way she moves, yeah. Could bring a snowflake in.
Okay, where's my phone? Found you. I think majority of my clothes are all like gym wear and dance wear because that's what I literally use on a regular basis. Also, I don't think I've mentioned how bad I am at folding. Like, look at this. I just don't understand folding. Here's a peek as to, just what might be my favorite color. That's literally like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 5 or 6 tops that I just folded, and I just realized all of them are pink. Brownie points to anyone who remembers this particular leggings from my Shein haul video. I will link up that video right here. I am obsessed with these leggings. This is just how I, clean up my clothes and organize them. I literally just throw them all in one corner. I start picking up one after the other, and I just fold them and categorize them into, gym pants, gym tops, ghar ke kapde, Indian clothes, the tops that I wear outside, jeans, and other sort of bottoms. I literally fold them first on my bed separately, and then one by one I stack them into my wardrobe. So my bed is done, my floor is clean. The only thing left is to arrange all of this. I just ordered from Swiggy, so I'm so excited because I'm super hungry and I can't wait to have my burger. I ordered from Leon Grill. If you guys have Leon Grill near your place or like in your city, you guys have to try it out if you haven't already. I love their burgers. But before my lunch arrives, I really want to just finish with all of that, and then I'll be at peace. At least my room is clean, so let's get to that.
Let me tell you something about the way she.
Somebody got their food. So let's see what we have here. So I have the spicy chicken fillet burger. It is so tasty, guys. And I also ordered some fries. Where are the fries? Yep.
Let me tell you something about the way she moves, yeah. Could bring a snowflake in June. Ice. She don't see me act a fool.
Okay, so I have to admit, I did laze around quite a bit. After having lunch, I just continued watching The Christmas Prince on Netflix. It's such a cute film, guys. You have to watch it if you like rom-coms and romantic films. I think I'm gonna pick my butt off this bed and start cleaning my haul, which you guys saw earlier. It's a mess. And then if we have time, I'm gonna try and edit a little bit of the life update video. Like, my laptop is giving me so many issues. It's not even funny. That video was supposed to go up today, which is Wednesday, but because my computer just kept hanging, I just couldn't edit it and upload it on time. So I have to continue editing today, and I hope my laptop behaves. I think we need to clean this up. And that's done. Time to clean this up. And done with this also. That was fast. That was actually fast. So even my haul is clean. I'm so happy, and thankfully I did the haul quite fast. There wasn't much, even though it looked quite messy. It was actually easy. Now I have all this garbage that I have to throw outside. So now I'm gonna try and finish editing the life update video. Okay, bad news, guys. My laptop is again, crashing, and it's just stuck at one point. Since a long time I've been trying to edit past that point, but I haven't been able to do that because of my amazing laptop. I'm trying to move it, but it just doesn't. So yeah, that's that. I am planning on getting a new laptop because you guys can see I'm just really struggling hard to edit like one simple video. So yeah, now I'm just gonna probably continue watching Netflix and wait for my parents. They're still shopping, so I'm waiting for my parents. And yeah, I think that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a very casual vlog. I get very conscious when I upload, especially casual vlogs like this, where I'm just chilling at home, because I'm like, are people interested? Or are you even watching until this very moment? So let me know if you guys enjoy these videos. Give it a big thumbs up if you do, and comment down below with any of your feedback, suggestions or comments. It really means a lot to me. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Stay happy, positive and blessed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Ooh, pretty baby, this world might have gone crazy. The way you saved me, who could blame me when I